We're heading to Mechnikov Point, so there's a commemorative plaque there that was set by a Belgian expedition in the 80s. So we're gonna check if it's still there, if it's still in good shape, and take a few pictures for documentation.
We went there on request of the Belgian government to actually look at the conditions of a plate, which purpose was to commemorate the ventures of Adrien de Gerlache.
It's just rocks, ice, rocks. Where is a monument around here? So we were all looking with the binocular, hoping to find it.
We said, okay, the penguins are going up there. Maybe we can go up the same way, because if penguins do it, we can do it. Not exactly the same. We arrived at the plate, which was in very good conditions, actually.
It's serious. I can't.
But yeah, what eventually we were surprised to find was this abandoned camping site.
So we are at at the commemorative plate to celebrate the Gerlache. I don't know what to say, fuck it.
There's some cans with food still in there.
There was a lot of plastic bags, plastic vials, syringes, plastic in many different forms.
There was a lot of lipsticks, survival matches.
A couple of thermometers like full of mercury that was still used at the time, and the rubbish is pretty much spread over maybe 100 meters square.
It's very difficult to land there, so nobody could have reported this. These kind of places are not really visited by anybody unless you go with a purpose. This time the government asked us to go, so we went.
These are probably remains from a camp from an expedition in the 1980s. In hindsight, I think it appears that this has probably been left behind because they had to abandon their camp during bad weather conditions. They were stationed there for 2-3 years even or so, and then at some point they had to leave and never came back.
What does it say?
It says custard powder. Might be British, huh?
Keep the bags not too full, not too heavy.
I just thought, it's us. That's what we do everywhere, you know? Of course, the Antarctic is special and it has to be kept pristine, but somehow what's the difference from a beautiful place in Antarctica and any other place on this planet? Everything was as beautiful as Antarctica before.
Barely anything is untouched from human pollution and exploitation. And Antarctica is no exception. And not only with this example, wherever you put a trawl in the water for scientific purposes, you catch plastic.
So we cleaned up a little bit, but there's so much it would take a couple of days to clean up that we won't have time to do. But hopefully we can raise a little bit of awareness about who did that, because and maybe they can come and clean it up. That would be great.